in this discovery, we realize we have a new species of a theropod dinosaur. This is a meat eater. And it's huge in size. That's one of the first striking things about this dinosaur. Is almost T-Rex size. 10 meters long, the skull alone is more than 1 meter. Each teeth is about 10 centimeters. So it's a top predator. But nobody knows about Torvosaurus. Only T-Rex is the well-known and famous by the general population. But T-Rex is from late Cretaceous, and Torvosaurus is late Jurassic. This means when the first T-Rex walked on Earth, this one was already a fossil 80 million years before. So much older in age. It has 150 million years in age. So we found several leg bones, vertebrae, and parts of the skull. And comparing the differences between these species here, the specimen we have here, with the equivalent in North America, which is called Torvosaurus tanneri, we can see the similarities and differences and realize that's indeed a new species that's never been described before. So we gave it a name. We named it Torvosaurus gurnei, dedicated to James Gurney, a paleo artist. And with that, we also increase the biodiversity that we have on dinosaurs in Portugal and in the world, of course. One interesting topic is the fact that we have two different species of the same genus in Europe and North America tell us about the paleogeography. This is how the continents are related with one another. So how do we drew the paleo map, the map of the Jurassic, how the continents are. And clearly this discovery shows there was a common ancestor that was able to cross the Atlantic. By then was just a proto-Atlantic, was a shallow sea. So the continents were closer, but still there was a sea. But this common ancestor was able to cross probably from Europe to North America and not the other way around. And then evolve in separate lineages into two different species, one in America, another in Europe. These discoveries gives the highlight of the Museum of Lourinhã and the Faculty of Science and Technology of the Universidade de Lisboa and Portugal in the realm of the paleontology. Indeed, the paleontology of dinosaurs in Portugal is one of the most amazing because we have such a diversity. We keep finding new species, we keep finding new specimens, and bones are popping up all the time that allow us to have a better perception, a better peek into the window of the Jurassic. So there are not many places in the world in which you can have an overview of the diversity of how the dinosaurs reproduce, how they lay eggs, how they walk, having the footprints and so on and so forth. And we have a very comprehensive picture that in Portugal almost unparalleled in the world. And that's a great honor and a great privilege to be working in such topics.